Hello and welcome to the Innsbruck Armoured Car Regiment channel. Today we'll be covering the events of March the 1st to March the 27th, 1945. The regiment started the month still in the Reichswald forest and continued to provide liaison officers to a number of divisional headquarters. On the 3rd of March, the regiment relocated from Matterbon near Clever to Udem. At Udem, materials were again scavenged from the ruined buildings and the troops built themselves makeshift huts and buildings. On the 9th, the Innsbruck departed a little after midnight and headed back towards Mechelen via Eindhoven, Diest and Leuven. The trip was carried out in record time as the regiment had been informed that it was the start of 3 weeks of rest in a new peaceful harbour. However, the peaceful break didn't last long, and on the 16th the regiment headed off towards Hock, where they would come under the command of 30 Corps. The regiment was assigned to traffic control duties, with A Squadron on Club Black route and C Squadron assigned to Hart Red route. B and D Squadrons were held in reserve. Between A and C Squadrons, they manned 13 traffic control posts in the area between the River Meuse and the River Rhine and the German villages Clever and Wiese. The purpose of these traffic control posts was to control the passage of all convoys travelling to the marshalling areas for Operation Plunder, the crossing of the River Rhine. On the 20th, the regiment also assumed responsibility for 2 marshalling areas. B Squadron was assigned to Marienbaum and D Squadron was assigned to Kalkar. Their task was to ensure the smooth running of the arrival, holding and dispatch of troops to be engaged in Operation Plunder, which had launched on the 23rd of March. When Operation Plunder launched, the regiment had a first-class view of the huge aerial armada passing overhead to drop airborne troops on the other side of the Rhine. References are on screen, and I hope you can join me on March the 28th in the next video in this series of the Innsbruck War Diary. Until next time, kind regards and cheerio.